Did you know that a staggering 80% of people feel unfulfilled in their lives? This means that the majority of us are walking through life with a sense of emptiness, a feeling that something crucial is missing. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? We often get so caught up in our daily routines that we forget to ask ourselves if we're truly happy, if we're genuinely living the life we want. They wake up each morning, going through the motions, following the same patterns day in and day out. The alarm rings, they get dressed, grab a quick breakfast, and rush out the door. They join the throngs of people on the streets, all heading to their respective destinations, yet feeling disconnected from their true selves. But deep down, a part of them yearns for something more. There's a quiet voice inside that whispers of dreams unfulfilled, of passions left unexplored. It's a voice that speaks of a life that could be, if only we had the courage to listen and act upon it. This statistic is a wake-up call, a stark reminder that life is too precious to be lived on autopilot. Each sunrise, each wave that crashes on the shore is a reminder of the beauty and potential that life holds. We have but one life, and it's up to us to make it meaningful, to fill it with moments that matter. We all have dreams, aspirations that whisper to us in the quiet moments, when the world is still, and our minds are free to wander. These dreams are the essence of who we are, the truest expression of our desires and potential. They are the stories we long to write, the adventures we yearn to embark upon. But fear, doubt, and the weight of everyday life often drown them out. We worry about what others will think, we doubt our abilities, and we let the demands of our daily responsibilities take precedence. The fog of uncertainty and the stormy skies of self-doubt obscure our vision, making it hard to see the path ahead. But what if I told you that you don't have to wait for someday to create the life you've always envisioned? What if I told you that the journey to your dreams begins with a single step taken today? The trail may be long and the mountain may be steep, but each step forward brings you closer to the life you desire. What if I told you that the power to change your life rests within you, right here, right now? You have the strength, the courage, and the wisdom to create a life that is rich with meaning and purpose. Embrace the journey, trust in yourself, and let the adventure of a lifetime begin. We often put off our dreams, telling ourselves that we'll pursue them when the time is right. We convince ourselves that there will be a perfect moment in the future, a time when all our worries will vanish, and everything will fall into place effortlessly. But life is unpredictable, and waiting for the perfect moment can mean waiting forever. We wait for that magical moment when all the stars align, when the universe gives us a clear sign that it's time to act. We look for omens in the night sky, hoping for a shooting star to guide our way. But the truth is, the stars are always there, shining brightly, reminding us that the power to change our lives lies within us. We dream of a day when our bank accounts overflow, when financial security is no longer a concern. We imagine a future where money is abundant, and we can finally afford to chase our passions without worry. But financial stability is often a moving target, and waiting for it can mean putting our dreams on hold indefinitely. We tell ourselves that we'll pursue our dreams when the kids are grown, when our responsibilities lessen, and we have more free time. We envision a future where our children are independent, and we can focus on our own aspirations. But life doesn't always go as planned, and waiting for the perfect moment can mean missing out on precious opportunities. But the truth is, there's no better time than now to start living your dream life. The present moment is all we truly have, and it's up to us to make the most of it. Every sunrise brings a new beginning, a fresh chance to take a step towards our goals. Embrace the now, and let it be the catalyst for your dreams. Time waits for no one. It marches on relentlessly, indifferent to our plans and desires. The seconds, minutes, and hours slip away, and before we know it, days turn into weeks, months, and years. We can't control the passage of time, but we can control how we use it. Make every moment count, and don't let time slip through your fingers. Every day that passes is a day gone, a missed opportunity to take a step closer to the life you deserve. Each sunset marks the end of another day, a day that could have been filled with progress and growth. Don't let the days slip away without making an effort to move forward. Seize each day, and let it bring you closer to your dreams. Don't let fear or procrastination steal your joy, your purpose. Fear can be paralyzing, and procrastination can be a thief of time, but you have the power to overcome these obstacles. Take that first step, no matter how small, and let it build momentum. Each step you take brings you closer to the life you envision, your chance to experience the extraordinary. Life is meant to be lived fully, with passion and purpose. Don't settle for the ordinary when the extraordinary is within your reach. Take risks, embrace challenges, and let your dreams soar. The time is now, and the world is waiting for you to make your mark. Fear is a natural human emotion, but it doesn't have to paralyze us. We all experience fear, that voice of doubt that whispers, "What if you fail? What if you're not good enough?" But here's the secret. Courage isn't the absence of fear, but the decision that something else is more important. Identify your fears. Write them down, acknowledge them, and then challenge them. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often the fear itself is far worse than the actual outcome. The first step to creating your dream life is to identify what truly sets your soul on fire. What are you passionate about? What brings you joy? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Don't censor yourself. Let your imagination run wild. Write down your dreams, big or small. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Start with small, achievable goals that will build momentum and propel you forward. Imagine a pebble dropped into a still pond. The impact creates ripples that extend far beyond the point of contact. The same principle applies to our lives. Every action, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect that influences our future and the lives of those around us. When you make the decision to pursue your dreams, you inspire others to do the same. You become a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of courage, resilience, and the unwavering belief in oneself. Section 6. A Journey of 1,000 Miles. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, a step that can be filled with uncertainty, excitement, and a sense of adventure. This is a story about one such journey, a journey that transformed not just a life, but a community. I once met a woman who dreamed of opening a bakery. She was passionate about baking, and her eyes would light up whenever she talked about her creations. Her dream was not just about making a living, it was about sharing joy and bringing people together through her delicious treats. She had a natural talent for baking, and her cakes were legendary in her small town. Every birthday, wedding, and community event featured her beautifully decorated cakes, each one a testament to her skill and creativity. Her friends and family always encouraged her to take her passion to the next level. But fear held her back. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of leaving the security of her 9-to-5 job. She often found herself at a crossroads, wondering if she should take the risk or stay within her comfort zone. The thought of starting her own business was both thrilling and terrifying. Fear of leaving the security of her 9-to-5 job. She had bills to pay, responsibilities to meet, and the thought of venturing into the unknown was daunting. She spent countless nights researching, planning, and dreaming, but always hesitated to take that first step. One day she decided to take a leap of faith. She realized that the fear of not trying was greater than the fear of failing. With determination in her heart and a clear vision in her mind, she took that first step towards her dream. It wasn't easy, and there were many obstacles along the way, but she was committed to making her dream a reality. She started small, baking cakes from her home kitchen and selling them at local farmers markets. Each cake was a labor of love, and she poured her heart and soul into every creation. The response was overwhelming, and people quickly took notice of her talent and dedication. Word spread quickly about her delicious creations, and soon, she had a loyal following. Customers would line up early in the morning just to get a taste of her cakes. Her stall became a popular spot at the market, and she started receiving orders for special occasions and events. Within a year, she was able to quit her job and open her dream bakery. The grand opening was a celebration of her hard work and perseverance. The community came out in full support, and her bakery quickly became a beloved local establishment. She had turned her dream into a reality, and in doing so, she inspired others to pursue their own dreams. This woman's story is a powerful reminder that even the most ambitious dreams can be realized with courage, determination, and a willingness to take that first step. Her journey was not just about opening a bakery, it was about overcoming fear, embracing change, and believing in oneself. It shows us that with passion and perseverance, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Section 7. You are worthy. You are worthy of a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You have unique gifts and talents that the world needs. Embrace your individuality, your strengths, and yes, even your imperfections. Believe in yourself even when it's hard. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift and encourage you. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Section 8. Share your dreams. The power of sharing your dreams with others should never be underestimated. When you vocalize your aspirations, you invite support, encouragement, and accountability into your life. Find a trusted friend, mentor, or family member who will champion your journey. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are also on a quest to create their dream lives. The shared energy, support, and inspiration will fuel your fire and keep you motivated. Section 9. Take the first step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What is the one thing you can do today to move closer to your dreams? No action is too small. Write that business plan, sign up for that class, make that phone call. The time for dreaming is over. The time for action is now. Take that first step and then another and another. Before you know it, you'll be living the life you once only dared to dream about.